bareMinerals is known for creating clean, good-for-skin formulas, and today I'm going to show you how using a clean, tinted moisturizer can really be incredible for your skin. Let's talk about Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream. It's a tinted moisturizer that combines hydrating skincare benefits with sheer to medium coverage. I'll squeeze Complexion Rescue into this glass of water, and then I'll squeeze a traditional tinted moisturizer into the other glass. Let's mix both formulas into the water and see what happens. You can see it mixes really easily and actually blends with the water in the glass. And that's exactly what it would do on your skin. You'll notice very different results with the traditional tinted moisturizer. When we try to mix the traditional tinted moisturizer, it starts to separate and you'll notice it looks really uneven. When we empty the cups, you'll see the difference even more. Now, which one would you rather have on your skin? Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, SPF 30, full of clean, hydrating coverage, free of dryness.